I'm rocking my G-Shock, 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 I'm rocking my G-Shock.
All right, YouTube, gonna convert this beautiful watch into a more amazing, beautiful watch. This is the GF 8250 model G-Shock Frogman. Cool watch, and it's taken quite of a beating already, but it's time to give it a little makeover, and we'll do a walkthrough on how do we do that. Hopefully this will work. If it doesn't, this video will not make it on YouTube. If you're watching it, it's because we were successful. So let's start off. So just so you know, the parts of all watches are usually interchangeable as long as you're using the same module. So for example, the GF 8250 is compatible, the band and the bezel is compatible with every other GF 8250 series out there. So you could exchange and interchange bands and bezels with those watches. In addition, they also sell custom band and bezels online. You just got to do a search on the trusty Google machine, and you'll be able to come up with different colors and different types of bands and bezels that you could swap out. Today, we're going to be swapping it out with the GF 8250 series. This one, I think it's the camel, if I'm not mistaken, the CM version. I think it's a cool colorway. It'll look nice on this watch. Bezel and the other band. I'll show you guys how to do that, and we'll start off simply by removing 4 screws. First screw is here, 2, 3, and 4. Those will remove the bands. Okay, so let's start off right there. You gotta be careful not to strip the screws. You gotta push down firmly and twist. Make sure you use the right size screwdriver. If you strip the nut, you have to get it replaced, which is very inconvenient. All right. Now that you remove those screws, you could peel back the bezel. Use a little muscle. Doesn't come off easy. Pull it over the buttons. And on the other side, same theory. Just pull it over, and there goes your module. This is a good opportunity to clean your watch. You can see all the gunk that's built up inside there. A lot of minerals with the water and the dirt turns these watches absolutely disgusting. So I'll show you guys how to clean these in this little second. So if I twist this, you can expose the spring bar inside there, which we'll use to remove the band. We'll be right back. Okay, so now we have my tool here. This is used to remove the spring bar. Don't necessarily need this tool. You can use any small screwdriver, to fix your glasses. You can buy those from any kind of store. Pharmacies usually have them. This one is specifically for this kind of tool, but you could use anything. Just squeeze it in there. Zoom in so you guys can see. Squeeze it in there and pull the bar apart. This will activate the spring and release the band like that. Okay, do the other side. Show you guys that one more time. There we go, finally popped it off. Oh goodness, and there you can see how dirty. Look at this. And now let's go give it a little wash, a little clean, and see if that could help us restore the watch a little bit. Be right back. All right, first thing you want to do is give it a little scrub. Old toothbrush, bar soap, or any kind of soap. Much better so far. Okay, a lot better so far. Not perfect. We'll touch on those parts shortly, see if we can make it any better. All right, now you can see it's looking a little bit better. Not perfect, not new, but a lot cleaner than it was before. So there you have it. All right, next we're gonna open the screw back and try to see if we could install this nice little film. You can buy this in any kind of art store, online. It's pretty much a little plastic film we're gonna try to overlay over the glass or under the glass to give it a nice little accent to match the new bands. All right, so to do that, you're gonna need one of these case openers to unlock or twist off the screw back. You can use that, or you can use this tool here. Both do the same job. Either one you prefer. So let's do that and get this open. Be careful, make sure you align it right. Twist it off like that. Make sure you line it off, because if it slips off, it may cause some damage or scratches to your back plate. In this case, mine's already scratched, so I'm not too worried about it. And there goes your back. Okay, take some of these pieces off. Let's try to remember how they go. That's next. Rubber seal comes off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep them in order, makes it easier. There you go. You should just be able to pull that right off, and there goes your encasement. I don't want to sit it. Be careful when you set these things. The glass is very, you don't want to get that scratched. So there's your LCD display, and let's see if this would work. Looks a little bit dark, but it should work. What do you guys think? Should I go for it or no? I think I might do it this way. I'm gonna do it this way. It gives it a little orange hue, but not too much. I could always remove it if I don't like it. So yeah, let's get started. All right, there you have it. I cut it at 2 sides. It's not a perfect fit, but make sure that it covers the entire LCD. Doesn't look too bad. Like I said, if I don't like it, if it's not legible, because I'll remove it again. But there's how it might look. So let's install it now. Just throw it in here. Throw it in there. Like that. Okay. Then let's put the LCD back in there in the case. Like so. And there you have it. It doesn't look too bad. Could look worse, I guess. Before we move forward, make sure you have a microfiber cloth with you so you can clean off any fingerprints off the glass, or because you don't want those once you put the once you install this back in. You don't want any fingerprints on there. Okay, so let's put this back in there. Fits like a glove. Look at that. I like it. And finally, let's stick the screw back on there. Make sure the rubber seal is in place. You don't want that to come out, or you jeopardize the waterproofing of the watch. All right, looks good. Seal it up. Use the tool again to seal it tighter. There we go. And there you have it. Now you have a nice little cool orange back display on there. And of course now the buttons don't work. So I must have screwed something up in the inside. I gotta open back up and align the buttons. Let's do that. All right, repeated the process and now everything's working properly. There you have it. Lights on. All right, we're back in business. Now we just gotta put the band and bezel on there and we'll be pretty much done. Before I do, I'm gonna see if I can give this a little polish. See if that'll give it a nice little, make a difference or not. Gonna be using Cape Cod polishing wipes. Recommend that for the polishing. Might not make a big difference, but any help will do. So just rub this on there. See all the gunk it removes. You could do it on the front too. Careful with the glass. I'm not so much concerned about the sides because that's not visible it's not visible at all. It's gonna be covered by the band, but the back plate is more probably the most the part you want to concentrate the most. So let's wipe that down and let's see how it looks. All right, there we have it. Not great, but every little helps. Now we'll just install the new bezel and the bands and we should be done. Okay, so let's get the bezels installed back in place. Okay. This is the hardest part, I think, is getting this to fit in there. Just give it a little squeeze. It gives you a little bit of work with. Got it in there. Now let's get the bands installed. What do you think? Should we go yellow? That wouldn't be too bad either, right? That might be actually pretty cool. Yellow with blue, or should we just stick with the blue, all blue? Let's go with the blue, as originally planned. Okay. Like that. Stick this back into the crevice there. Like so. Let's get one of the pins. Here. Stick in the hole. Also a difficult process, but we'll get through it. There we go. Push it down. There we go. That wasn't too bad. The next one. And there you have it. The new design. I like it. I like it a lot. What do you guys think? Should I put it back to how it was with the yellow original bands? Or do you guys like the new orange and blue color? All right. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how you mod, easily customize a G-Shock. And like I said, just stick to the same module, same watch, and you could, the parts are interchangeable. Thanks for watching, guys. And I know it's a long video, but I think it's well worth it. I think I'll keep it the way it is for some time, wear it, and then change it back to the original. Like I said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Till next time, I'm out of here. Peace.
Money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my